Autonomous trucks, revolutionizing the U.S. trucking industry. The emergence of autonomous or self-driving technology has the potential to revolutionize the U.S. trucking industry. Autonomous trucks, equipped with advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and automation systems, have garnered significant attention in recent years. This article delves into the rise of autonomous trucks, exploring their potential benefits, the challenges they face, and their implications for truck drivers and the overall transportation sector. Potential benefits of autonomous trucks. Improved safety. Autonomous trucks have the potential to significantly enhance road safety. They eliminate human error, which is a leading cause of accidents on the highways. With advanced sensor systems, autonomous trucks can detect and respond to potential hazards more quickly and efficiently than human drivers, reducing the risk of collisions. Increased efficiency. Autonomous trucks have the capability to operate around the clock without the limitations of human fatigue. This continuous operation can lead to faster delivery times, increased productivity, and improved efficiency in the transportation of goods. Moreover, autonomous trucks can optimize their routes and driving behavior to minimize fuel consumption, reducing costs and environmental impact. Enhanced logistics. Autonomous trucks can revolutionize the logistics industry by streamlining operations. With real-time data analysis and optimization algorithms, autonomous trucks can improve route planning, reduce congestion, and optimize the allocation of resources. This efficiency leads to faster and more reliable deliveries, benefiting businesses and consumers alike. Implications for the transportation sector by autonomous trucks. Driver shortage mitigation. The trucking industry has been grappling with a driver shortage for years. Autonomous trucks have the potential to alleviate this shortage by augmenting the existing workforce and enhancing operational efficiency. This could help meet the growing demand for transportation services, especially in long-haul routes. Restructured supply chains. The introduction of autonomous trucks may lead to significant changes in supply chain logistics. With increased efficiency and reduced transportation costs, businesses may reevaluate their distribution networks and optimize inventory management strategies. This could potentially result in shorter supply chains and more localized production, reducing dependence on long-distance transportation. Safety and liability considerations. The implementation of autonomous trucks raises complex questions surrounding liability and insurance. Determining responsibility in the event of accidents or malfunctions involving autonomous trucks will require clear legal frameworks. Stakeholders must collaborate to establish comprehensive guidelines to ensure safety, mitigate risks, and address liability concerns effectively. Conclusion. Autonomous trucks have the potential to transform the U.S. trucking industry, offering a range of benefits such as improved safety, increased efficiency, and enhanced logistics. While several challenges, including technological, regulatory, and workforce considerations, need to be addressed, the emergence of autonomous trucks presents significant opportunities for the transportation sector. By carefully navigating these challenges and embracing innovation responsibly, the industry can unlock the full potential of autonomous trucks, paving the way for a safer, more efficient, and sustainable future in freight transportation. Challenges and limitations of autonomous trucks. Technological hurdles. While significant progress has been made, fully autonomous trucks still face technical challenges. Developing robust and reliable sensor systems, ensuring consistent connectivity, and refining complex decision-making algorithms are ongoing areas of research and development. Overcoming these hurdles is crucial to ensure the safety and effectiveness of autonomous trucking. Regulatory framework. The implementation of autonomous trucks necessitates the establishment of comprehensive regulations and standards. The regulatory landscape must address liability concerns, safety requirements, data privacy, and security issues. Policymakers and industry stakeholders must collaborate to create a framework that promotes innovation while ensuring public safety and accountability. Workforce impact. The widespread adoption of autonomous trucks has potential implications for the trucking workforce. While some argue that autonomous trucks will lead to job losses for truck drivers, others argue that new roles will emerge in managing and maintaining the autonomous trucking fleet. Workforce transition programs and training initiatives will be crucial to support affected truck drivers in transitioning to new roles within the industry.